Today we're going to be making this sterling silver squiggly necklace. All of these materials can be bought as a project kit by clicking on the link in the description. Measure and mark the silver wire into 9 different lengths. Cut the wire using wire cutters. Place the wires on a heat-proof block so that the wires overhang the block by about 15mm. Use a hand blowtorch to concentrate the flame on the end of one of the wires until it glows red and melts into a ball on the end of the wire. Repeat this process for all the wires. Quench each wire in water, holding the wire in tweezers to do so. Place all the wires in a warm safety pickle solution for 5 minutes or until clean. When clean, use an emery stick to smooth the ball end of each wire. Individually rest the other end of the wire against a bench peg and use an emery stick to smooth the end of the wire and ensure the end is flat. Use round nose pliers to bend the flat end of each wire around to form a loop and ensure it meets flush with itself. Add a small amount of solder paste to the join where the hoop end meets the wire of each wire shape and place on a heat-proof block. Heat each wire individually until the solder melts and flows. Quench each wire in water, holding the wire in tweezers to do so. Place all the wires in a warm safety pickle solution for 5 minutes or until clean. Use round nose pliers to grip and gently twist and bend each wire to form squiggly shapes and curves. Polish the silver wire squiggles using a silver polishing cloth. You can also polish using a barrel tumbling machine with shot, barrel bright and water. Thread the silver squiggles onto a silver chain with the longest squiggle in the middle and the shorter squiggles on the outside. If you like this project, you can buy all the materials on the Cooksongold website